a fluffy bun. That plate is enough for your mope. Microphone? What about the microphone? Is something whack with it? Somebody said that the other day. It's been working great for me the entire time I've owned it, but if there's a little something going on, just let me know. I'll fix it. Maybe consider putting the recipe in Discord a day before so that we can get the ingredients ahead of time and follow you. Yeah, that would be key right there. Definitely everyone would have to have the ingredients ahead of time so we're all on the same page. That's why I won't need to use my laptop mic anymore. Oh, nice. Nice. Good stuff. You bought, okay, a View Yeti setup. I see it now. That'll be here in 2 days. Upgraded my stream. Nice. Good stuff. I like that. That is good stuff. Yeah, having a good microphone is key. It really is. Alright, I'm not trying to cook this bacon again, so we'll throw that on the side. In fact, I'm going to put that on a paper towel. Since we double greased it. Oh man, I'm like nervous to cut into this. Oh, see, look at that. I'm scared. I'm scared. Alright, I'm going to take a picture of it the way it is, just like now, and then we're going to slice it, and then I'm going to maybe never post a picture of it. We'll find out in a second. This might be a live only on stream one-time occurrence that you get to see. I don't know. We're going to taste test it though. That'll be the real factor. And maybe it's supposed to be like this. I've never made this dessert, so I'm going to have to look up online later if I did it right or not. Right. Well, there it is. There's what we ended up with. We'll see. And if I slice into it, what happens? It looks a little jiggly. I don't know. Alright. I guess to get a picture now before I slice into it and see what I did here. I won't have to worry about tripping on my cord anymore. Nice! Do a microphone-only cooking stream? How would a microphone-only cooking stream work? Like, just talking the entire time without showing any video of it? I don't know. I don't know how entertaining that would be for people. Your mic is fine. I was asking about this. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you for confirming. I have picked plans that, yeah. Use the force. Basically made hot yogurt soup. Yeah. It could be hot yogurt soup. That's very possible. It's possible. I did bake it longer, and we had exactly 375 though. So I did it according to the recipe exactly. We'll see. We will find out. Microwave? Yeah, really. Sorry to microwave a pie. Let's go. I've given up. I'm microwaving pies today, guys. Gosh, if I do that, like, the day I microwave a pie, just, like, unsubscribe, unfollow, never come back. I love you all. Alright. Let's see what we did. Our burgers are probably about done, though. Yeah, that's feeling good. That still needs a little time. Yeah, we can give it one more minute. Alright. Here we go. The moment of truth. Or failure. Or the moment that we have to go to the veggies. And the moment that we're still slacking on the cheese. Ah! My cheese fell apart. But it will seemingly come back together. Because I need it to. And timer, I love you, but shut up. My timer and I, we get along on, we have our own terms. That other one I'm going to leave cheeseless because I'm just going to have it for, like, lunch tomorrow anyway. Let's go. Wait, veggies. Gonna use a fork and knife. Give these all a quick flip. Carrots can just do whatever. We just flip around the carrots like no big deal. There it is. Let's go. That's our balsamic vinaigrette. For those of you who were not here earlier, that's what we're using. Going back in. Burgers. We're good. Oh, that piece of cheese. The piece of cheese that left me. Probably gonna be super delicious. I'll just let it fry in the oven. I'll just grab that later. Leave it on the side. Oh yeah. Alright, off heat. Let's go. Let's make a burger. Alright. What do I want on my burger? I want ketchup. I want probably be good. Red pepper and feta spread? Wait, what? I gotta try this. This might be good on a burger. Red pepper and feta spread. Looks pretty darn good. Feta is really good on a burger too. Let's try this out. Here, let's see. I'll try it off the package. Yeah, that's going on my burger. That is going on my burger. And that'll go so good with pineapple too. Yes. Please and thank you. Alright, here we go. Assembly. Let's get this bad boy together. Mayonnaise. I want mustard too. I like it all.